first of all. And we are back at the Bangalore airport. And this time we are going not to a faraway land. This time we are just going to Koh Samui because it was a random plan. We got the tickets really cheap. I think for two of us we got it around 35k with return, like to and fro to Bangkok. And we have been to Bangkok before this, but we didn't go to the Koh Samui side. We did all the Phuket and Krabi and all of those. So this time we are just having a leisure kind of a vacation. We have just crossed the 25th of December now, so everything is very well decorated. I think the same decoration was there last time when we were going to Finland, but it's giving me a little bit of joy. I'm in search of a good book because this is the only time I feel like I can actually read a book, through and through. Otherwise, office and daily life, I just don't get the time. So stay tuned and keep watching our vlog, and please keep supporting, like, share and subscribe, guys. So we have landed at the Don Mueang airport, and after landing we took a shuttle bus which will transfer us for free to Suvarnabhumi only if you have a valid ticket. So very tired, but we have a lot of journey ahead of us because to reach Koh Samui we have to take a next flight, which is a 1 hour flight, and then from there again a 3 hours ferry. So let me reach and then take you guys along. The shuttle is really special and doesn't take much time. I think we got the bus in 10 minutes. I'm not sure what is the frequency of the bus, but it's definitely worth a try. So there is a shuttle bus counter where you can get a ticket, like a tag kind of a thing, which you have to put on yourself. This is our tag, and after that you get on the bus. That's it. So it's Suvarnabhumi, as you can see. It took us around 30-35 minutes, right? And I guess if you're coming not really early in the morning, but a little bit towards the day, like after 12 p.m, then there will be a little bit of traffic, and it takes around 1 hour. So, but it was really comfortable. The shuttle was comfortable. We are just roaming around now because our next flight is with Vietjet, and that starts at 1 p.m. So we have a lot of time to kill. So let's see what we do. So as you guys could see, we have taken this small capsule. I have taken one, and Samay has also taken one. And this is because we are really tired, and our flight is at 1:30, and it's just 10 o'clock right now. So we thought we'll take 2 hours of nap, so 10 to 12. For 2 hours, they have charged 1,000 for both, like 500 each. 2 hours is the minimum that you can take, and extremely tired. We will sleep for 2 hours and then we go up to get our flight. This is the basement, by the way, in Suvarnabhumi. So in case you guys ever want to get some rest, this is a good place. After a really nice nap, me and Samay, we have checked in, and we are going to Surat Thani from Suvarnabhumi airport. It should start boarding any time now. Thani, and now we are trying to figure out from where we can take the ferry tickets, because they will give us a direct transfer from here, like from the airport they will pick us up and then they'll drop us to the ferry, and from there a 3 hours ferry, and we are there. I mean, can't wait to go to the beaches. Oh, it's raining already here. We have just boarded the ferry to Samui. It's Sea-Tran, and you won't believe, like, I think the basement of this ship is so huge that there are proper huge trucks and buses getting boarded inside. So I think that Sea-Tran maybe is a little bit faster than the other ferries. That's what I read. I'm not sure. We'll see if that's the truth. We have finally reached, guys. But I'll not give you a tour today. I'll give you a tour tomorrow because it's already dark. We are walking to our rooms now. In the morning it can look really nice. There's a pool here. If you can see, this is a pool, and then somewhere here is our room, I think. So this is the room that we have gotten. This is a standard room, and this is just near the pool, by the way. Okay, this is the washroom, and it has view on both the sides. So it's raining, I'm not going out, but here's a very nice balcony, and the pool is just over here. So everything is really nice. We have a small seating place, and that side, I guess it's a big window with view of the other side, but yeah, we can't see anything right now, but it's all green here. We are ending the day today with some good food. We have just ordered some dinner inside our room, like room service, because we don't have the energy to do anything today, and also it's like 9-10 o'clock almost. So stay tuned, and we'll take you along for the rest of the time that we are in Koh Samui. Rented this scooty, cute red one, and we'll go around this island and see what to do. We have no plans at all. This is supposed to be a very relaxing vacation, so no plans. Stay tuned. We'll take you guys along the whole day. Latko viewpoint. It's really near to our Banhinsai resort where we are staying, and this is the gate. You can come in and you can, like, the sea is really like having a high tide today because the beach is almost non-existent. Generally the beach is a little more extended. So let me show you how it is. after the viewpoint, we spent some time there, and now we have parked our car, like the scooty nearby, and we are walking to the beach. This one is called the Silver Beach. So let's see if we can get a umbrella or something to sit, because we really want to chill. No rushing this entire trip. At the Silver Beach. We are now going to Lamai Beach, if I'm not wrong. Not sure. I'll put it in the description wherever we go. And today evening we have booked a Muay Thai. Sama is very excited. Apparently there is like it's a good fight, and then he gets to see a lot of blood. I'm not really convinced about the blood part. So let's see how it goes. And also, just FYI, in front of the Silver Beach you get parking. It's 30 Thai baht for your scooties and two-wheelers, and 80 Thai baht for four-wheeler. We started for Lamai, but we came to Lipanoi Beach, and we picked up some 7-Eleven on the way. This is some fried chicken with rice, and this is vermicelli noodles with meatballs and some kind of crispy spicy thing on top. So but this beach is really nice. We came for the sunset, but there is no sun today. It's very cloudy. To our resort, changed, and now we are heading out to watch Muay Thai. It's from 9 p.m. to 11. Not a little terrified about it, honestly, fighting people, but here we are. Stay tuned. I am kind of breathless because I walked the way up from our room to the reception to get our scooty.
ในยกที่สามสูงมาเลยซ้ายของซ้ายโดนออกให้ขวามาเลยแต่ก็ได้ดีเลย